Combine two audio files on your iPhone.
Hello there. In this video, we will learn how to combine two audio files on your iPhone using a specific app. This could be handy for a variety of reasons. Maybe you're making a personal mixtape, or you're trying to piece together a podcast. Whatever your reason may be, it's a simple process, and we're going to guide you through it step by step.
What app should you use?
The first question is, what app should you use to combine audio files on your iPhone? The answer is an app called GarageBand. GarageBand is a powerful audio editing tool provided by Apple. It's free, easy to use, and most importantly, it lets you combine audio files effortlessly.
How to import audio files into GarageBand?
After you have GarageBand installed on your iPhone, the next step is to import the audio files into GarageBand. Follow these steps. 1. Open the GarageBand app and start a new project. 2. Choose the audio recorder from the instrument selection. 3. Tap on the Tracks view. It's the third icon at the top of the screen. 4. Tap on the loop icon in the upper right corner to open your audio files. 5. Browse and select the audio files you want to import. 6. Long press on the selected file and drag it to the track view. You can repeat these steps to import as many files as you want.
How to combine audio files in GarageBand?
Now, let's go to the most exciting part, combining the audio files. Here are the steps. 1. In the Tracks view, you'll see the audio files you have imported. 2. You can drag and drop the audio files to align them as desired. If you want one audio to follow another, just drag the second file so it starts where the first one ends. 3. Once you're satisfied with the alignment, tap on the downward arrow at the top left of the screen and choose My Songs to save your project.
How to export your combined audio file?
Finally, you need to export your combined audio file. Here's how. 1. Long press on the project you just saved in My Songs. 2. Tap on the Share icon. 3. Choose Song. You can adjust the quality of the exported file here. 4. Tap Share again, then select how you want to share or save your file. And that's it. You've just learned how to combine two audio files on your iPhone using GarageBand. With this handy trick, you can create your own audio masterpieces right on your phone. We hope this guide has been helpful. Happy audio mixing!